You have done so many things in life, okay? I understand that the principle happens to be you should not regret of not doing or not trying.
Yes, yes.
Where is Audrey heading, by the way? Which is your next venture?
So, okay, so now we've spoken about pageants, we've spoken about the modeling, the acting career, the little bits here and there that I've done. From all of that, now we come to the next thing is that I've taken 2 international franchises of Mrs. Because like I said, you know, I'm so sorry, in the previous question I didn't mention this. You asked me what are the kind of audiences, like not the audience, but what are you venturing into? So I started training a lot of Mrs. candidates, and I started training the Mrs. Worlds, and I started training all these married women, married categories or MS categories, and I realized that it is so difficult for them. It is so difficult because for someone who's not married and young, you still have so much to explore. But imagine when you're married, you have kids, you have work, you have responsibilities. I've trained Air Force captains, I've trained wing commanders, then again the same thing. Then I've trained gynacs and all these kind of women engineers.
Across professions.
Yes, and I'm telling you, I loved that category so much. So, so that's when I decided I'll take up with 2 international franchises, and I took the Mrs. Grand International and I took the Mrs. Supranational World, and we did the first season, but because I got the franchisee very late, I had very less time to do an event and train someone, because whenever someone's going international, you have to train them right.
Correct.
Everything needs to be perfect. And I'm a perfectionist. I can't just like not do everything right and then send someone just for the sake of it. So I said, okay, I'll handpick someone and I'll send. So we won the crown last year. We won the ambassador crown for India, the first crown. This year, my new venture is the beauty pageant of Mrs. Grand International and Supranational World, to host that.
And before we move to the detail part of it, I think it has Goa connection as well.
Yes.
If you can just spill the little, because there's a little time, we can kind of have a thought process and kind of start the excitement towards this event.
Okay, so I'm spilling the beans now. We are, me, y'all, Goa. This is the news that the pageant finale, we're planning to do it in Goa.
Oh, that's fantastic.
And I'm very, very, very excited about it, because the kind of support I've got from Goa is incredible. And I am absolutely excited to do it here, because I think Goans are amazing. Yeah.
But what should Goa anticipate from this? Tease us more.
Okay, there's going to be a lot of things. It's I won't open up everything.
Okay.
I want you all to wait for it and come attend this event. But there's going to be a lot of glamour, a lot of entertainment, a lot of training, a lot of tourism, culture, everything involved together in this pageant. So it's going to be something that that involves everything that is related to the fashion industry, the best outfits, the best designers, the best people from the industry, and everything's going to be really nice, I think.